Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be credited at this time. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, firstly you have to just simply open settings and you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and after that you have to make sure that there is not connected any of the VPN. If there is unconnected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that go back and then tap on general and then tap on software update, and you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update it and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you still have this problem, then simply go back, and from here guys you have to just simply tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct, and after that go back and tap on language or region, and you have to make sure that your region is correct. After that go back and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. So guys, after doing this hopefully your problem will be fixed. If still not fixed, then you have to just simply contact the Apple support team and they will try to fix your problem within 24 hours. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If the videos helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.